Namaskar. Welcome in Astronaut channel. This is Bhavish Joshi and today I am just discussing about very good topic and very most requested topic. It's about traveling. How we travel, why we travel, and because there are certain reasons the person will travel. Okay, so somebody want to travel for their job, somebody want to travel for their medical treatment, and somebody want to spend some time with their family in some luxurious location as well, and somebody wants to enjoy their quality time with their wife or with their romantic partner as well. So there are a lot of reasons the person want to travel, but not everybody can travel for their own time, because sometimes they are busy in job, sometimes they are busy in their family life, or there are a lot of reasons. Okay, so there are a lot of reasons of that. So let me discuss about first traveling. So what are the planets and what are the houses? What are the houses, and especially what are the nakshatras for that? Okay, so first, if you want to travel, there is an active 12th house. 12th house is always for long journey, or always for your spendings. Okay, and along with, if you want long distance traveling, then you must have a favorable 9th house, because 9th house is related to first your long stay journeys as well, your foreign locations as well, and another thing is that third house also shows short term journey. Okay, so 9th house and 12th house, it's these combinations provide you opportunity to move in certain long distance locations, like long travel, long journeys. Okay, it may also include your foreign travel as well, and third house is also for your short term journey. But the motive of travel will decide upon whenever these houses are combined with other houses. Like if third house combined with six houses, and then this means a person will 6th or 12th houses, then it means the person will travel, but for their medical issue, medical treatment, or somebody having a legal issue, then he may travel. So then he may travel and he have to travel. If third house is combined with 10th house, then it means a short travel to a certain location, another location. Okay, just out of their home, not as far from their home, maybe in same state. Okay, but not as much far from their home. Okay, if these houses combined with some good houses, like if third house 9th house and 12th house. Okay, so they both, or either 9th and 12th house combined with 10th and 11th house, that shows the person will travel far from their home and for a good motive, for their job, and earn a lot of money for that. Why? Because the 11th house is always for income and gains. If 11th house will assure you how much money you will gain, and 10th house is for your work, what you will perform. Okay, so they will, if somebody needs, there are a lot of people who are working in a job and want and are awaiting for their transfer to another location. So they will get a good transfer, they will get a promotion whenever their 11th houses will conjunct with or conjunct with your 9 and 12th houses, 10th and 11th. If only 10th house is there, they will get opportunity far from their home, but they will not provide as much bucks as they wish. Okay, so another thing is that, let's move to another topic. For the travel for the medical issues. Okay, so for medical issues, it's all about the combination of these houses with 6th houses, because 6th house is always for your diseases. Okay, so if they combine or conjunct with their these houses, then it will shows you that then you are really having some serious issue regarding you are suffering from some diseases as well. But either diseases will cure or not. Okay, these will depend upon certain other houses as well. If they are in combined with 4th and 11th houses as well, 4th and 11th. Okay, why 4th? Because in case of diseases, 4th house is always the cure of diseases. Okay, the solution to disease. And in this case, if 11th house is along with 4th house, then means your diseases will cure. You will have to spend certain kind of amount for that, but you will get results from with that, and the diseases will be rectified. Okay, so next thing, if you want to spend some moments with your family, friends as well, then their second house is also for family as well. Okay, so second house also denotes to family. So if you want to spend a quality time with your family, if second house, okay, is combined with 12th houses and 9th houses as well, okay, then you will spend a quality time with your family as well. Okay, you will, and if in case the dasha is also good, dasha like if Jupiter dasha or antar dasha, then it is really favorable for you. Then you will spend a good time with your family, with your friends in some good location. And in case if you are married and you want to spend some quality time with your wife, and want to travel with your wife, then this means the seventh house, if seventh house combined with 12th house, then you will get a chance to get a time with your wife. You travel with your wife. And but if you want full settlement, okay, if you want full settlement in foreign country, okay, so you must have a combination of 4th and 11 houses along with 12 and 9th houses. So most of the people are awaiting for their green card. Okay, green card from a destination where they are working. Yes, somebody are working in America, US, UK. Okay, so but they didn't get a actually green card here. So they are awaiting for green card. So for that, when the combination of 4, 11 and 12 along with 9 as well, then they will get a green card from their country. Otherwise it is not possible for that. Okay, so along with these things, dasha is always favorable. Like some dasha like Saturn and Rahu are separative planets. So what they do, if their Mahadasha or Antardasha will tell you, they will separate you from their regular work. Okay, just if somebody having a Shani Antardasha, their Mahadasha is Jupiter. In Jupiter along with Saturn Antardasha is going through, then this will suggest you that the person you may change your job. And it's good or bad, it's totally depend upon the planetary position of Jupiter as well. And other than that, nakshatra play an important role. Why nakshatra important? Because not only planets could not do anything. Okay, like Aquarius is own sign of Saturn. Okay, so but the results of Saturn are totally differ from, in either Saturn is in Dhanishta nakshatra or Saturn is in Shadbisha nakshatra and Saturn is in Purva Bhadraspad nakshatra. Saturn is a planet and its own sign, but their results are totally different from each other. So this is up to the nakshatra at what the result the planet will provide you. Okay, somebody who want to travel, maybe somebody will get opportunity to travel to foreign location like US, UK, but somebody is residing in Delhi, but maybe he or she get opportunity in Bangalore as well. Okay, so why? Because this is also from the dasha and mahadasha as well. What your dashas are going, and what will your dasha provide you, and what are the combination of planet. Like if somebody having Saturn Mahadasha and their Antardasha is Jupiter or Venus, and Saturn is denoting them. Saturn belong from a good nakshatra as well. Okay, nakshatra related to the Venus or related to Venus and Jupiter. Then they will assure you Saturn will separate the person, but the person will get a good results as well. Maybe it is possible person will go to foreign location as well. Okay, but in case somebody having a very favorable planet, the dasha of very favorable planet, very good planet, okay, but still they didn't get as much benefit as compared to others. Okay, so these are the basics rules about traveling. So we will discuss more about traveling in coming videos as well. So please just like, share and subscribe as well. So thank you for watching. Namaskar.